Todd from Jeep Speed Shop. We're going to give a demonstration of our engine mounts that we're going to put into this 2013 Jeep JK. Kind of giving everybody an idea of how our engine mounts go. Our engine mounts are used for the Hemis and the LS Chevy engines. We're going to put the mounts out of this Jeep and then weld in the new set. I'm going to show the two different directions that you can put them in, either as a Chevrolet or a Hemi. Our design works well with a lot of high travel Jeeps and stock configurations. Plasma cutter, torch, or 4-inch grinder. We've used all three. All three work fine. If you want to have access to a plasma, torches work good. Another way to do it, takes a little longer, 4-inch grinder. Now we're going to clean up the plasma cutting or grinding and get it ready for the new mounts. This is a procedure that is no fun, but has to be done. This is the driver's side mount area being prepped and readied for the new mounts. Also, if you want, you could also do the coilover brackets in the back to clean those up. If you have coilovers, good time. You know, that's the driver's side. The passenger side, prepped and ready for the new mounts. Here's the passenger side. The right mount has 2 holes in the top for the wiring harness. Front position is for the Hemi. Move it back, and the back position is for the LS. You can see the slot in the frame and the slot in the mount. This mount is the driver's side mount. Has no holes in the top. It's a little bit longer mount. This holds the lineup hole. There's 2 slots inside this mount. This slot is for the Hemi. This slot is for the LS. It makes it really easy to install. Hemi, LS. These mounts were designed also with a cutaway for a link to fit up inside if you have a stock Jeep or a Jeep with a lot of travel. 2 sets of holes. You got the lower hole for the truck Hemi, the upper hole for the LX Hemi. Also, you can use it for the LS3 for the upper hole, and then the lower hole for the truck LS. So it gives you options. These mounts are also stronger than stock and a lot better for positioning for putting the engines in.